Welcome to Holiday Hacks. This year, I'm trying to think of crafts that can be done on a budget, because with everything going on in the world, people don't seem to have as much money as they've had in the past. So today, we're going to be making tombstones out of sticks. These are just sticks that I found in my yard that I broke. They're going to be held together with zip ties. Now, this is the pack of zip ties I get at the Dollar Tree. You get 100 of them as $1. So that's a penny a zip tie. And I'm estimating either 2 or 4 zip ties to each of these. So that'd be 2 to 4 cents to make them. I'm going to start off with this big one. Now these ones, you could probably, if you want to do weaving and everything get really intricate, you could probably make better ones. I'm doing simple crosses. So what you're going to want to do is position like so. Grab zip ties. You're going to want to do them in a crossed section. So, let me try to get this. Alright, so I got it looped. And I'm just gonna work on tightening it down. Now you see it kind of twists like that. If you were to stick it to the ground, you'd get something like that. That's what the second zip tie is for. This time you're gonna do the exact same thing. This is the times when you need 3 hands. Alright. There you go. Good. Now I got 2 of them like that. Now that holds it pretty well. So I'm just gonna tighten it up. And then yeah, I got a little cross-stake tombstone. Now, of course, you can use different sticks to make different size ones. So, and that just took 2 zip ties, so that'd be a 2-cent one. This one here, made out of this. Oh, this would go great for like a pet cemetery kind of theme. So again. Now, since these are smaller ones, I grabbed the smaller zip ties. Let me see if I can set my camera up better. What can I set my camera on? There we go. Make it a little bit easier. So, whoops, drop the stick. Now we'll just second verse, same as the first. Zip tie the one there. Cross hatchet. And if y'all do culinary arts, y'all might recognize that term. I know it's used for grilling. And now, there's the second one. Now, with these tombstones, just stick them straight in the ground. Well, that'll be all for today. Tune in next time, and I'm going to be showing y'all how I am making a fountain out of this skull up here. Let's see if I can zoom in on it for you. Oh, there you go. Now I've actually put the pieces in it already, but I'll go through a detail on how I made this. Till then, see you later. Bye.